Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable the density map function in the marine traffic application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down at the tools section, click on the settings button. And then click on the density maps button. And here look for the show density maps section. And if you want to enable it, just click on the white circle next to it. And to unlock density maps, you either need to have a subscription, but this application offers 3 free tries of the basic density maps for the month. So if you want to live with the option, then just click on the unlock for free button. And as you can see, it turned blue, which means that the function is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.